Hey everybody, Alex Mendiola here. You know, ever since I tested the Jar system, I've been itching to build a Jar subwoofer for my system. So today I'm going to take this and build one. I found this jar at HomeGoods and I knew it would be perfect for this build. I selected the Dayton Audio DCS 165 subwoofer because honestly it fit, and it's what they use in their kit systems. Now I can see a couple of challenges with this build already. First, the sub comes with these awesome terminals pre-installed, but they don't allow the sub to sit centered in the jar. Next, the lip of the sub is a little wider than the opening of the jar, so I need to make sure that my baffle can accommodate this. Finally, this is a really beefy sub and I'm a little worried that this small jar won't be big enough for it. So I might need to do some testing with a traditional enclosure later. Okay, I think I can deal with these terminals here and then I'll move into the shop for the rest of the build. It looks like the terminals have Phillips headed screws that attach them to this plate. I think if I took a pair of pliers I might be able to just bend this down. Allows it to sit center. I think that did it. Awesome. So that's done. Now we need to go to the shop to make the baffle and attach the terminals. Okay guys, welcome to the shop. I've got the jar here and I think the first thing I'm going to do is add the terminals to the side here first because the CA glue's got to have time to cure. Too shabby. There. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that I got the glue all the way around in there. Seal it up nice and airtight, and then you take the ratchet and you can crank so it'll hold the terminals in place while the glue cures. So that's the terminals done. Next up, the baffle. Okay, so I cut a piece of my red oak stair tread, but the miter saw isn't quite long enough to cut the whole length of it, so I need to even this out with my hand plane. So this is going to be what's facing up. This is going to be facing down. Countersink all of the speaker point threaded inserts here. Nice. Boom. Threaded inserts are done. So we cut the hole for the speaker. Here it is. My dear mentor and YouTube grandfather adopted, Paul Sullers would say. Get a little workout. Got this apron for Christmas.
One eternity later.
Just about does it. I managed to just get this to fit. Now I'm gonna epoxy this to the baffle. That's about right. Tomorrow, we're gonna finish this guy up. Now I'm gonna apply a coat of paste wax to finish the wood. I'm going to take these off to solder them. Just like that. That's it! The jar sub is finished. I had a ton of fun building this. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did like this and you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you want to see. Also, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and make sure to hit subscribe. Definitely helps out a lot and lets me know you are enjoying what I'm providing to you. And hit that little bell icon to be notified of my next video when it drops, which should be a sound test of this subwoofer. Anyway guys, I had a ton of fun. I hope you liked it too. I'm Alex. Catch me in the next one.